In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in Odoo 17. If you've ever wanted to streamline your accounting process and make your bookkeeping tasks easier, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's get started and dive right into the steps. First, navigate to the Odoo website. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your online business applications. Once you're on the website, sign into your account. If you haven't already created one, don't worry. It's a straightforward process, but essential to accessing the features we'll explore today. After logging in, your next stop is the dashboard. Here you'll find various applications that Odoo offers. Focus your attention on the accounting app, which is our primary area of interest for this tutorial. The dashboard serves as a control center, enabling you to seamlessly switch between different applications with just a click. Click the Accounting app to enter the realm of managing your financial tasks. Within the Accounting section, you'll need to locate the Accounting tab. There, click on Journal Entries. This section is pivotal for managing your business's financial transactions, effectively recording and tracking your financial data. Once you're in the Journal Entries section, you'll notice a cogwheel symbol next to Journal Entries. Clicking this cog will unveil several options. Among those options, you'll see Import Records. This is what you need to select if you want to import your journal entries directly into the system. Now, if you're more of a drag and drop person, there's an alternative method you can use. Instead of clicking through the options, you can simply drag and drop your records onto the page itself. This feature offers a user-friendly and intuitive way to manage your entries without the need for extensive navigating. Within the import process, you'll encounter the State section. It's important to remember to select Enabled. This step ensures that the records you are importing are active and ready for use within the system. Always double-check this setting to avoid any discrepancies in your data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will successfully import journal entries into Odoo 17. Remember, by efficiently managing your journal entries, you enhance your accounting efficiency, saving both time and effort. Whether you're an Odoo novice or a seasoned user, mastering the import process is a valuable skill that will undoubtedly come in handy. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.